Cardinal Health's Kangaroo nutritional delivery portfolio offers a safe, innovative, and complete solution of products that support pediatric and adult enteral feeding needs from the hospital to the home. Our pharmacy solution line of ENFit products were designed to increase patient safety by reducing the risk of misconnections. Cardinal Health's oral and enteral syringes were designed to provide optimal dosing accuracy. The 60 milliliter, 35 milliliter, 12 milliliter, and 6 milliliter all have the universal ENFit connector. The 1 and 3 milliliter syringes have a low dose tip which provides plus or minus 10% dose accuracy. First, ensure the plunger is completely depressed into the syringe. Submerge the tip of the syringe into the medicine cup after priming. Cycle the syringe and gently pull up on the plunger to fill the syringe to the desired dose. Tap or flick the syringe to remove air bubbles and fluid around the moat. For the low-dose syringe, connect the ENFit medication straw to the syringe. Insert the tip of the medicine straw into the medicine and cycle the syringe to eliminate any air bubbles. Draw up the desired dose. Disconnect the syringe from the straw and gently tap or flick to remove excess fluid around the moat. Finally, attach the syringe cap if necessary. For more information, please contact your local Cardinal Health sales representative.